Good morning, Reynolds family. Today is Monday, April 13th. Welcome to episode 3 of our Tech Training Roundup series.
We sincerely hope you and yours are safe and well. I'm Kim.
And I'm Kevin.
And we make up technology training services here at Reynolds Community College.
As always, all website and videos referenced here will be linked in the video description below for your convenience. Please visit our Tech Training tutorial page for video tutorials and guides that cover questions on common software used at the college.
The Quick Access Guide is still available for face-to-face instructors who have moved their courses online. This guide contains essential information for both Canvas and Zoom. Resources provided include 24-hour phone and chat support, as well as Reynolds faculty online mentors and their contact information. You can find the Quick Access Guide in our most recent email communication, as well as on the Tech Training website. Additionally, our student technology support page has been updated and is located on the reynolds.edu webpage.
For our question segment this week, we want to highlight a topic that seems to encapsulate several issues we're hearing about from you regarding signing into the Zoom desktop app. While signing into the desktop app is not required to join a Zoom meeting, you may see this prompt on the desktop app and attempt to sign in. If you wish to sign into the app, you must click the Sign In with SSO button on the right side. Do not sign in on the left side with your Reynolds or VCCS email account credentials. They will not work. However, this would be how you sign into a personal Zoom account. Otherwise, please sign in to the right side by clicking Sign In with SSO for all Zoom meetings related to the college. To complete the sign-in process, enter VCCS in the company domain field on the next window. Then enter your My VCCS credentials when prompted. Click the Open Zoom Meetings prompt in your browser, at which point you will then be taken to the Zoom desktop app. As a reminder, signing into the Zoom desktop app is not required when joining meetings. However, the app has most of the features also accessible in the browser via My Reynolds, including join and host a meeting. The biggest difference between the two is the layout and interface. More information about the Zoom desktop app and a helpful guide on how to sign in can be found at the Tech Training Zoom tutorial page. And now for the Tech Training Tip of the Week.
We now use multiple devices to utilize our Reynolds email account, and the reply feature isn't always intuitive. On college PCs and laptops, Outlook Client is downloaded, which provides a visual display of our email reply choices. However, for those that depend on their browser to access Reynolds email, the choices are not as obvious. The icons do not provide descriptions, which increases our chances of replying to all, sometimes the whole college, when we only wanted to reply to the original sender. By simply scrolling over the icons at the top of your reply email, you will see a description. An easy way to remember these icons is that the double arrow indicates multiple recipients will receive your reply. The single arrow indicates you will only be replying to the recipient who sent the original email. When replying to Reynolds email in a browser, be sure to confirm your recipient or recipients before clicking send. This can be even more difficult on mobile devices, since you are working with a smaller screen and the Outlook app automatically defaults to reply all if there is more than one recipient. In order to select recipients, click on the double arrow next to reply all. You then have the option to choose your recipients more strategically. And that's your Tech Training Tip of the Week. If you have any tip suggestions yourself, please feel free to email us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu.
And if you have any questions or troubleshooting issues, please reach out to us also at technologytraining@reynolds.edu. This is Kevin.
This is Kim signing out.
Be safe.
Be well.
And we'll see you in the next Tech Training Roundup video.